Hi, I'm Indigo-Pacha Reynolds. For this year's Royal Ballet and Opera Design Challenge, I chose the Costume Design Pathway and Director's Vision 1, A Moment in Time. I'm fascinated by fashion history and was super excited to create a historical piece for this challenge. It's been so interesting researching my chosen era and looking at the methods and materials used to construct garments at the time. I thought about the 16-year gap between Act 1 and 2 and decided it could be interesting to set Act 1 in 1890 and Act 2 and 3 in 1906. With the end of the Victorian era favouring darker colour palettes, starched puff sleeves, hourglass-shaped corsets and hair in well-kept updos, which ties in with the regal but tense Cecilia. And the Edwardian delicate lace, S-bend corsets, paler colour palettes and gentle frills, which matches the humble and tender environment of Bohemia. After creating my 3 designs, I decided to create the lace dress to be worn by Perdita. The garment is structured to the classic Edwardian shape, a simple ensemble with a folky headpiece, since Perdita was living her life as a shepherd's daughter. I felt historic shapewear might not be particularly easy to move in for a modern dancer, so I considered how I could create the iconic Edwardian silhouette using other methods. I settled on gathers in both the underskirt and the blouse. I also shortened the skirt for more freedom of movement. I wanted to keep my garment as natural and sustainable as I could, so I sourced my materials second-hand and dyed it using tea. The making process of this was a genuinely wonderful experience and I learned so much from it. I really hope you like my garment as much as I enjoyed making it.